There are not many individuals in the crypto local area who have not heard the name Satoshi Nakamoto in passing. The popular unknown maker of Bitcoin and the world's greatest digital money have interested many individuals and motivated a ton of unmistakable digital money defenders. The SV in Bitcoin SV's name means Satoshi's vision and addresses BSV's objective to turn into the digital money Nakamoto generally imagined. The truth will surface at some point whether it can at any point accomplish such aggressive objectives, yet in the event that it does, it has every one of the opportunities to turn into the following number one digital currency. Nonetheless, while making a Bitcoin SV cost estimate, we ought to take a gander at its basic worth right now and assess its possibilities without depending on the measurably talking rather thin probability that BSV will turn into the best and most mechanically progressed digital money one day. Here are our Bitcoin SV cost expectations for the next few years. As usual, if it's not too much trouble, recall that the items in this video don't comprise monetary guidance. The digital money market is profoundly unpredictable. Subsequently, all Bitcoin SV value expectations ought to be thought about while considering other factors. Make sure to do your own exploration prior to putting resources into any advanced resources. Bitcoin SV's motivation is to turn into a more mechanically progressed cryptographic money than the first Bitcoin, meanwhile staying consistent with the first thought behind the digital currency. It is a hard fork of Bitcoin Cash, BCH, which was forked itself from Bitcoin back in 2017. Being fanatics of the first Bitcoin convention, BSV makers and the local area, all object to the progressions made to the BTC blockchain, similar to the execution of SegWit or the Lightning Network. BSV takes a what they guarantee is Satoshi's unique way to deal with settling the versatility issue that torment the greatest digital currency by expanding block size. At its origin in November 2018, Bitcoin SV had a block size of 128 MB. A portion of a year after the fact, in July 2019, the coin went through the Quasar protocol redesign and block size expanded to 2 GB. BSV's block not entirely set in stone by the coin's agreement component and was intended to be dynamic. This framework permits BSV to have a higher exchange speed, however forfeit some level of decentralization. Bitcoin SV utilizes the confirmation of work agreement calculation and can be dug for benefit, very much like the first Bitcoin. Excavators can pick the size of blocks they need to mine, with greater blocks giving better yields as they contain more exchanges and, thus, more exchange charges. Very much like most digital currencies, BSV additionally goes through many high points and low points close by the remainder of the market. It had a monstrous cost spike back in April 2021 when it arrived at its ongoing all-time high of $491. Bitcoin SV drew near to that level by half a month after the fact in May 2021, in any case couldn't arrive at another most extreme. Bitcoin SV's value figured out how to remain over the $100 cost mark until the end of 2021, yet kept on declining consistently. The coin at long last tumbled down to the $90 level in late January 2022. The ongoing cost of Bitcoin SV is its base cost in the previous year. The last time the coin has been this low was in 2019, which is certainly not a decent sign. Numerous other digital forms of money are in decline right presently, yet have a typical cost higher than their base in the beyond 3 years. BSV is very open to the general patterns on the crypto market and appears to answer positive news and publicity very well. Its affiliation and close connections to Bitcoin permit it to get consideration during market blasts. Bitcoin SV, BSV, Price Prediction 2022 to 2030. Bitcoin SV Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin SV costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Bitcoin SV will be $63.08. The most extreme level that the BSV cost can reach is $72.45. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $65.10. August 2022. Bitcoin SV price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the BSV cost will be exchanged at $57.84 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitcoin SV worth to $61.54. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $55.83 in August 2022. BSV price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down Bitcoin SV costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $59.58. The most minimal and top BSV rates may be $57.56 and $63.85. October 2022. Bitcoin SV price forecast. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the BSV cost will be around $61.36. In October 2022, the Bitcoin SV cost might drop to at least $59.35. The normal pinnacle worth may be $66.83 in October 2022. BSV price forecast for November 2022. Having dissected Bitcoin SV costs, digital money specialists expect that the BSV rate could arrive at a limit of $69.90 in November 2022. It may, nonetheless, drop to $61.80. For November 2022, the gauge normal of Bitcoin SV is almost $63.82. December 2022. Bitcoin SV price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Bitcoin SV cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $65.10. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the BSV cost could change somewhere in the range of $63.08 and $72.45. Bitcoin SV price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Bitcoin SV in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Bitcoin SV will be around $93.84. The greatest expected BSV cost might be around $110.50. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $96.44 in 2023. Bitcoin SV price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Bitcoin SV, in 2024, BSV is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About $136.26 and $167.10, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $140.12. Bitcoin SV price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money